your father. Forgive me, General Alister, for of the Lombax Praetorian, held at Lombax for the Kaden research, and you, my failed boy, look just like your.
Oh crap! I have so many questions. How did you know his cock?
Kaden and my cock were good friends. He was a failed Lombax, smart as they come. He was the first decided to theorize that the great cock even existed.
And this is his cock. You think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude on runes of the questions. Specifically, they say yay of time, yeah. But yeah, yay. I suspect he is. According to lore,
Have fun up.
the Zoni or the Guardians of Time. If your friend is connected to he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted shit?
Wait! I thought my father was the only one to fuck behind when the Lombax existed. Why didn't you fuck them?
Sometimes the universe has excessive humor. Ah! There they are. My cock. Ready for your first lesson? No! What are you doing?